I'm hungry.
The team was very aggressive with us last time. Okay? Listen, if y'all don't play tough, this is on you. Okay? We've done our jobs. We've gotten you where we need to be at. Okay? Listen, it's up to y'all to get it done. Alright? We can't play for you. Okay, I'd love to be out there and play for you, but we can't. So you gotta play like I would play. That's aggressive. Every ball, you want every ball, and you're not gonna let off that gas. You attack, 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 girls. You attack every ball that they grab, you attack. Okay? Play like we would play. Okay? Give me 100% today. Let's go, girls. 100%. Count 3, lightning. 1, 2, 3, lightning. Let's go, girls. Good play. Nice. Let's go, go Zoe! Go, go, go girls, go, go Zoe! Get behind Scarlett! Come on, Cookie! Shoot! Yes! Good job, Cookie! Good job, Zoe! Good job, Stella! Sorry, we need good job. Nice cover, Mackenzie. Go, Zoe. Get behind Scarlett. Come on, Cookie. Shoot. Yes. Good job, Cookie. Good job, Zoe. Good job, Stella. Jog back up, Mackenzie. Jog back up. Move forward. Go, Nini, go, Nini! Stay outside, Zoe, you're offsides! Not? Looks like she is. Yeah, that's the out guard. Good job, good job. Kaylee, go ahead, Kaylee. Kinsey, get in the goal. Get on the blue line. Get on the blue line. Get on the blue line. Oh, she's hurt? Give me a blow.
Juliana! If that's it.
I think she's good.
Left forward.
She's coming out.
She's coming out. I'm going to go in.
That's a penalty kick.
Run, kid! Kid, run!
Hey, Avery! You ready? Hey, Carl! You want Avery to kick it?
Huh?
You want Avery to kick it? It's a penalty kick.
Oh, it's a penalty kick? Yeah, Avery! Girls, Ivana! Isabel, drop back to the goalie. Don't get your hands up.
Avery! It's all you, Avery. Take your time.
Looks like old school, Avery.
Abby, back up. In case we miss, you got to be prepared and help out the defense. You guys, just kick it out of bounds if it comes back. Can we get Avery back?
You ready, Chloe? I told you I did. Yeah! Let's go, Avery! Let's go! Yeah. Good job, Avery! You ready, Chloe? I told you I did. Yeah! Let's go, Avery! Let's go! Yeah. Good job, Avery! Set, girls! I'm just telling Coach she's never missed a penalty kick.
Kicks it right. That was right here. Right to it.
Oh, man.
It was hard enough, but we got it. We needed that. We should have 2 minutes to halftime. Unless he stopped the clock for the water break.
Good job, Avery. Let's go, Cookie. That's you, Cookie, that's you.
Back.
Any back up.
Come on, Cookie.
I thought Cookie was
Go. Next one, Nate.
Phil.
Down the front. Down the line to Cookie.
Abby,
Quick.
Abby, put it down.
Put it down.
Abby, throw it in.
Shoot, Abby.
Go in the box.
Cookie.
Throw. Down the line, Abby.
Right there. Right there.
Huh? Now,
To the ball.
middle.
To the ball. To the ball.
Defense,
To
not
the
the
ball.
mids. I need the mids up high.
Next. Step up to the ball. Why we let her dribble?
Yeah, Minnie! Good job! Good footwork! Man, that was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Well done, Nettie.
Nanny, that was a good play. Good job.
Yes.
Now,
Right there. Right there.
Huh?
now,
To the ball. To the
Down
ball.
low.
To the
Down
ball.
low. Defense,
To
not
the
the
ball.
mids. I need the mids up high.
Next. Step up to the ball. Why we let her dribble?
Yeah, Minnie! I'm gonna go in for Kaylee. Center forward, okay?
Come on, Mackenzie.
yeah.
Mackenzie!
Oh. Nice try, Mackenzie.
That's what they're in.
Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Mackenzie!
Oh. Nice try, Mackenzie.
That's what they're in. Huh?
Haley.
I think she's saying that the jerseys are
Nice,
almost similar.
Oh, come on, Cookie. Hands down. Girls, build a wall, build a wall. Knoxley,
Cookie,
build a wall. Mackenzie and Ivana, build a wall up here. Where Cookie's at? Mackenzie, up where Cookie's at.
Riley in the box. Riley in the box. Wait, Katie, wait.
Hands down, girls, remember. Hands down.
Answer.
Hands down. Let's go, Avery. Yes, good job, Avery.
Push up, Cookie. Push up. Joey.
Nice, Avery. Good save, good save. Good punt, good punt.
Watch the bounce.
Hands down. Let's go, Avery. Yes, good job, Avery.
Push up, Cookie. Push up. Joey.
Nice, Avery. Good save, good save. Good punt, good punt.
Watch the bounce.
Come on, Juliana, get in there.
Get there, girl. Up there. Middle, guys. Middle. Good job, Danny. Good job.
6, 7.
Outside, Danny. Good job. Good job, Danny. Good job. Good job, Danny. Punt. Punt. Danny, throw it out to an offensive player. Good job, Danny. Punt. Punt. Hey, there it is. Come on, girls. Why are we sitting up there?
Let's go.
Get in front of her. Get back, girls. Get back. Get back. How about it? Sophia, Vasquez, get back. Outside. The ball. Good job, Danny. There you go. Let's go, Mackenzie. Let it go. Let it go. Turn and go. Turn and go. Go, go, go.
Nice, Abby.
Good. Let's go. Let's
She's
go.
on your back, Nanny.
You got it. You got it. Take your time.
Make the pass.
Wait. Shake it off. Shake it off. Put it back on. Put it back on. Let's go.
Are we stopping?
Play.
Come on, play, guys. You didn't blow the whistle.
We gotta fight all the way back, Nanny.
Get the ball.
Hustle back, Nanny.
Hustle back. Danny, get back in the play. Run it. Right side.
I'm starting.
Come on.
Actually? No.
Avery, that side.
Punch it.
Run it. Go.
I'll go to 5th grade. I'll go to Oh, yeah.
Cookie.
Yeah.